Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Today we're going to go over a couple examples of the COVID-19 resources that Facebook and Google My Business are offering small businesses. And at the end of the video, you'll see a link to all our tutorials on the COVID-19 resources. But here we are on our Facebook business page, and you notice at the top in the menu bar, there's a COVID-19 business resource button. So if you click on that, it takes you to a Facebook resource page. And if you scroll through it, you can see all the different things that Facebook is offering to help small businesses. You can mark your posts as COVID-19 updates to let customers know how you're responding. You can set up gift card sales, create fundraisers, keep yourself informed. There's a link to the WHO. Stay in touch with your customers. You can download ready-made templates. Just different things that you can work through Facebook to help get information out to your customers. Okay, now we're going to go over to Google My Business, and we'll put a link for this in the description below. But it's a lot of the same types of things. Different resources that you can put in your Google My Business listing and let customers know what your response is and how you're adapting to the pandemic. You can update your business hours, connect with your customers. There's even a check button to see how your listing is doing. And we'll click on that. And you can see that we've already started working on our listing. If you click continue, it will give you an overview. You can change the open status of your business, create a post, update your customers, and different things to keep customers informed and let them know how you're responding and how you're dealing with the coronavirus. Okay, I hope that helps in updating your Google My Business and Facebook business listings. Thanks.